Airdrop is the event in which a crypto project or protocol issues tokens. The BOO token for that project is usually given to a specific group of users in the community. The value of tokens from Airdrop varies, ranging from a few dollars to thousands of dollars, depending on the quality of the project. Welcome to Market Melody. This is What is My Wallet? Episode 11. How are airdrops made? Airdrops are usually done in two ways. Transfer tokens directly to the user wallet. Users need to request their airdrop from the project's website. In general, the project will reveal the eligibility criteria when an airdrop is announced. Users will then connect their wallets to the project website to check whether they are eligible for airdrop. If the user meets the requirements, tokens or NFTs can be transferred directly to the registered wallet, or the user may have to request them through the site. Often this form requires a transaction, so the user needs to pay a small fee to the network. Why airdrop? There are two main reasons for organizing airdrop projects. To create community awareness. Rewarding the real user. Due to the competitiveness of startups in crypto, airdrop is a good way to generate community awareness, or otherwise call it media marketing. Some projects, especially new ones, typically distribute tokens through airdrop to users who have made a minimum amount of transactions on their platform to boost marketing. The most recent example, Arbitrum, has airdropped more than 600,000 eligible wallets with a total value of more than $1.4 billion. On the other hand, some projects implement airdrop in retroactive form to reward early supporters, encourage users to stay and join the community to help create a more loyal user base. Disadvantages of airdrop. Although airdrops are a popular and successful marketing tool in the cryptocurrency space, they have their own disadvantages. Return rate of per platform usage. Many projects use airdrop as a means to generate euphoria, also known as hype. After a period of time, the hype will settle down, and the value of the token will reach the real value point. At this point, we often witness a decrease in the size of the base user. This is because users are not committed to the project, and only seek profits from earning free tokens and exchanging them for cash. Achieving this goal, they will leave the project. Worried about confidentiality. The security concerns are very common and also contribute no less to the calamity of the crypto space. Considering this risk, users should always do their own research before interacting or engaging in any airdrop. Phishing and fraud. While airdrop is a great way for newcomers to join the community, it also brings an opportunity for scammers to attack victims. One common scam is the airdrop program. Connect your wallet. This is where a scam site invites users to connect their wallets and approve specific transactions that lead to wallet hacking. Additionally, scammers often hide themselves as community members in Discord or Telegram groups to connect and deceive new members. For example, in April 2022, the servers of Bored Ape Yacht Club Otherside were hacked. The hackers sent fraudulent links to the BYC community channel Otherside, stealing total assets worth 179 ETH. The pump and dump system. In addition, users should be careful with pump and dump, a common form of cryptocurrency fraud. Sometimes, this involves projects investing in influencers, KOLs to promote and pump tokens before they release the shares of the property right after retail investors buy in. One example is that Kim Kardashian has been fined $1.2 million by the US Securities and Exchange Commission for promoting Ethereum Max on Instagram without disclosing her payment. Lots of fans have lost their money. When the token? With airdrop? When the token? Means when release tokens? This is a popular comment on community and crypto platforms. Users participating in DeFi or NFTs often expect the airdrop of upcoming projects. In addition to potential profits and rewards, it is an exciting way to engage and connect with projects and communities.